Hi everyone. So today was an amazing day, and today I mostly focus on data structures and algorithm, and I want to share you an amazing thing. Like everyone have studied string data structures, and for you all, I have made detailed notes of all the string functions in C++ because this will help you a lot while you are doing competitive programming or solving problems on lead code and GFG. So I have made a separate detailed notes of string in C++. So all the functions which are important you must know, which help you a lot in doing your basic string problems. So for that I have made a separate notes for the string data structures. So total I think 10 to 12 functions are there. Let me tell you some of the functions. In C++, first you need to find the length or size of a string. So there everyone knows that s dot size is there, or str dot size. So that is the one function. Then some more extra functions I have added, like find functions. Then I have added like erase function, then pop and push, in short, and so many different functions are there. So almost I think 10 to 15 functions are there. If you know all these functions now, it will be very helpful for you to write your code very fast, okay, in C++. Like manipulating or playing with a string will be very much easier. So do check out the link of that notes and do download that note and just use it in your day-to-day life. Okay, so that's it for the string notes. And now coming to my preparation journey. So today I basically focused on data structure part, and after a long time I was focusing on tree data structure. So I started with what is tree, and like basic examples, folder structures and all are the basic examples of tree. So I learned what is tree, and then the different terminologies in tree, like nodes, root, parent, leaf, child, sibling, so many things were there. So I revised the basics of no root this sorry basics of this tree. And then after that I learned that tree traversal, like pre-order, in order and post order, three traversal ways, basically through the recursion methods. So after doing this, I solved 5 to 6 problems based on tree, like finding the size of the tree, then finding the height of the tree, finding the sum of all the nodes of the tree, then finding all the leaf nodes, finding all the non-leaf nodes. Then also I learned the level order traversal. So these 6 programs I learned. I just revise it because I have already learned that, so I just practice it again. And my approach is how I practice. Like first I write the code on paper, because by writing I feel it, I understand the code. I just take examples and dry run it. Okay, so that's very helpful for me. Then I coded it in VS Code. Like even I have switched off, disabled all these chat GPTs and auto completion, and I write each and every word by myself. Okay. Then I learned like how to check the two trees are balanced or not. Then the mirror tree. Okay, so mirror tree I solved that problem. Then there was a problem of to check the tree is balanced or not. We have to check the tree is balanced or not. So difference between the left and right node height, basically it should be like -1, 0 or 1. It should not be greater than -1, or it should be in the range of -1 to 1. Okay, -1, 0 or 1. It should not be more, or it should not be less. Okay, so that I learned. And after that, this pre-order, post order, and in order traversal, I also applied the iterative approach using the stacks. I was able to implement these 3. And also, like on level order traversal, also I learned to implement it in a spiral way. Like once you, like the root is given here, then you have to print like this and this, so you have to print in the spiral way. So that question also I solved. So overall my day was full of trees, and at the end of the day my mind was like, what happened? Like more than enough DSA is done now for today, so let's stop it because it's too much now. I tried to study more, but I was not able to accommodate, so I just left it. And along with that, so this was all about my DSA today's journey. Okay, and please check out the notes. It will be very helpful for you because I was from Java background, and in Java I know so many functions. Like in string there is caret is there, index of, last index of, then replace function, then so many things are there. So I was very much able to do that in Java. But when I switched to C++ for learning DSN, so I was familiar with Java, so I tried to get, but I was not able to get that much of functions. So I tried to practice all these 15 to 16 functions are there. So you must go through these functions. Just it will hardly take you 30 minutes, and you'll be ready for writing good questions or solving problems or manipulating based on the string. So that will be very helpful. Please do check out that notes also. I have added in the description link. Okay, and also if you're also preparing, and if you're also just revising your DSA notes or making projects like web developments and all, so you can join my Telegram channel Aslam Coding. And I am thinking to like take a session. Session means basically a discussion, a talk session, like where we can talk and just share our journey, like what you are learning, what I'm learning, and you can ask your questions also. So preferably on Saturday we can discuss on development. So please do join my Telegram channel Aslam Coding, so that I will send you a proper Google Meet link, and there we can discuss it properly. So if you wanted to uh, ask your questions, so please do join my Telegram channel. And on Telegram channel I will share my DSA notes, then computer science fundamental notes, and web development projects, and whatever GitHub repos I have made. So if you want so there I will share it. Okay, so please do join my Aslam Coding Telegram channel. Okay, so that's it for today. Please do subscribe to my channel if you find it useful, and if you are also on the same journey, then please let me down, share your journey in your comments, like what you are learning, like at what topic you are in DSA, or what kind of projects you have made, like you are learning front end or back end. Remember, even front end is still relevant. Okay, if anyone is saying like AI has replaced the front end, that's not true. Okay, the template website anyone can make, but if you want to make a website which scales for lakhs and millions of users, there you have to learn system design and so many things where your front end code break up, okay, or just crashes. So it's important to learn the things how it is working in the background. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Please do subscribe to my channel, and please uh, like share, like how do you find this video. Okay, make sure to subscribe it. Okay, thanks for watching.